Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to search your Gmail inbox by size. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you want to search by a certain file size, perhaps you can just go ahead and just in the search and mail field, go ahead and click inside of here, type in larger, and then an underscore, and then say than, and then a colon, and then you can write how large of a file you want to include. So let's just say 2 megabytes. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Items in here that should be larger than 2 megabytes in size should appear in this list here. And you can also even set a more specified parameter by after typing larger than, you could do a space and then smaller underscore than and then colon, and you could say 2 gigabytes, 2 GB, and hit enter. And then again, that's one way how you can go ahead and actually sort a mail that may contain larger attachments. So unfortunately, there's no native way in Gmail to actually sort by largest to smallest or vice versa. You just have to search by parameters. Google Drive does offer an option that's a little bit more detailed in achieving what we would be looking for in that case. And if you're looking for large file sizes, you can search for them by using the search feature up at the top. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.